Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about staple guns and construction staplers. Not the paper staplers you do for putting papers together with, but for working in construction. Alright, so basically there are three types of staples. There is the one that looks like a square that's missing the one edge, so basically like a regular staple for papers, There is the U-shaped, which goes up and around, which is used for doing stapling phone wire along the baseboards and stuff like that. Other things like stapling chicken wire and things like that. And then there's a T-staple. All right. And it just looks like a T. All right, so there's a different thing. You can get your staple guns, hand-powered ones for all three of them. You can get electric ones for all three of them. You can also get, the portable electric ones that come in looks like a multi one that says brads and the staples. So this works for both. And then there is another type of manual one which you don't squeeze on it, you thump with it. This is a roofing felt stapler. And you roll out the felt and just go along, you start smacking down on it and it just drives the staple in. So, think about what you need to do, what aspects you might need staples for, and what type of stapler is going to work best for you to get the job done. Is it going to be the hand one, the small battery-powered electric ones, the plug-in electric ones, or a thumper one? And before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to a video you should be interested in. I'm going to put a playlist down here. I'll put another link to a video over here, and I'll put a link to my homesteading and gardening channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, up here in the corner.